This is Tom Copen with Kramer Electronics, and I'm here today to demonstrate the VP-4x4K app for the iPhone and iPod Touch. You'll see in my setup here I have a VP-4x4K made by Kramer Electronics and a Linksys router with wireless internet. I can start by, on my iPhone or iPod Touch, turning on the Wi-Fi. Connect to my Linksys router. Verify I have an IP address. Okay, so I'm connected. Now I want to open up the VP-4x4K application. Go into the control page. Now to connect to the device, I go all the way to the bottom, and I can either enter my IP address, or since I know that my unit is currently set to the factory default, I can just press that button there, which assigns the default IP address of 192.168.1.39. Then I press connect. You'll see my status says connected. Then I can go up and I can make switches. So first I'll start on an AFV switching mode, so audio will follow video in this case. And you'll see right now my switcher is set to 0000. But I can make a switch here. It will say output 1 to input 3. And you can see there that the first output of the switcher has changed to be input 3. I can also do output 2 to input 2, and you'll see that switch was also made. It's always output first, then input. When you press the output button, all 4 buttons will change to input buttons, and then the command will be sent. There's also an all button, so I want to say all input 4. All my outputs are now switched to input 4. I can also switch video and audio separately by selecting video or audio and then making the switch the exact same way. Also down here I can change output volume. Depending on which output I want to change, I select the output from the selector here and then do volume up or down depending on how I want. You'll see that if I choose the volume output 1 and then I go output 1 up, you'll see that output 1 has gone up in volume by 1. That's because they're in half-step increments. So I'll go up 1 more. Again, you'll see it's changed to 1.5. So the volume works. We can also select presets of the unit. This 4x4K has the ability of selecting up to 8 presets and storing them inside the unit. So once the presets are stored, you can access them by pressing the preset buttons in the app. So you'll see preset 1, 2, you can see the unit switching. So there you go, that's your basic presentation of how to use the VP-4x4K application by Kramer Electronics. Thank you.